What's up, everybody? Rap Snacks Symphony, and we are here. And, honey, Mr. Battle here. Oh, he ready for war. He is the director of this amazing project. Tell us a little bit about the cultivation. Where did this vision come from?
The vision came from, it's a team of us. So our co-director, Tyler Patterson, and our creative director.
And I think Tyler is on his way over here.
Might as well come over.
Come on, Tyler.
Come on,
guys, Tyler Patterson is checking in. So come on over. Y'all can sandwich. We got a sandwich going on here. So Tyler, I was just asking Mr. Battle here a little bit about the vision for the project. So, and he said it's a team of you guys. So tell me a little bit about kind of how we kind of made this thing happen.
Man, so really we got to start really shouting out Nas. He brought us onto this real project.
Wow.
He worked hand in hand with Rap Snacks. He was an intern with them at first, and then he came to us with the idea of like, hey, we have this Rap Snacks Symphony.
Okay.
We want to create this, and y'all two are the people that we want to help bring this to life. And ever since then, everybody just fiddled in.
Okay, now Mr. Battle, so how did you feel like when you saw the finished project? You were just like, what?
You know, it was a dream come true because I am an HBCU graduate, and last year we
Which one?
Central State University.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm Virginia State University.
Oh, okay, well,
all
you
right.
family then.
Hey!
So last year when we did Central State, my alma mater, it was a dream come true. And then when they said this year we want to go big, and I said who's the school, and they said Clark Atlanta. I said, oh come on, let's make it happen.
Baby.
Yeah.
So Tyler, what's next?
We have to find out and see.
Ooh, y'all know I like it exclusive.
Just know it's gonna be bigger.
Ooh, go big or go home, baby. We got Tyler Patterson. We got Mr. Battle right here. You know, look, I had to put some respect on it because he got that gold, so he the mister. All right, so Tyler, let everybody know where they can find you on your social media.
So on social media, you can find me on Instagram at TP Cinematography, and that's it.
Ooh, TP Cinematography, guys. Mr. Battle, Tyler Patterson. It's your girl, Lily Mae.